What's happening? This is Johnny Snow in the building and doing a quick review on my shoulder holster. All right, as you see right here, I got my Tanfolio Defiant Stock Master in it. Now, this holster is actually genuine leather and is made in Turkey. Yeah, and it is actually pretty cool because a lot of shoulder holsters require that you clip it to your belt, so that means you have to tuck your shirt in. This one does not work that way. It just works by strapping on one side, and then you have another strap right here. And another cool thing about it is you can take it down and wear it on your belt. So it has the holes to wear it on your belt as well. So this is actually a pretty cool shoulder holster. I love this shoulder holster, and I got it off of eBay. And let's see, believe they were run about $70, about $69 plus shipping from Turkey. But it is absolutely worth it, absolutely worth it. And they have it for different model handguns, but they actually had it for the Stock Master. So, you know, here it is. This is my shoulder holster, and I absolutely love this thing. So I definitely recommend getting one. So, you know, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead, subscribe to it, hit notifications. You know, it's where I work on all these guns, put all these guns together, get everything. Just basically what I like to do is build them up, buy them plain, and then fix them all up. So definitely check out the channel, you know.